Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Copilot AI. Today I'll be showing you how we can use Microsoft 365 Copilot to be more efficient in our task. And to do that, I'm just going to take a scenario where you will need to review and finalize the latest opportunity based on the financial details that you have received. So first, what I've got here is the Microsoft 365 platform where we can interact with Copilot. So I'm just going to use Copilot to write a message here where I ask it to catch me on the latest email that I had with a specific client. And once I send that, you can see Copilot is going to write the summary here, and it's also going to give me some prompts that I can choose from. So let's say I want Copilot to then help me to summarize the financial implications of the changes in the contract. So you can see it will go and pick out the specific information and provide them to me. Now, once I have those information, let's say I want to have them sent to my teammates so that they have access to those information as well for a better collaboration. What I can do is I can click on Edit in Pages, and you will see here we've got the page link that I can click on and that I send to different team members. And as you can see, I can also see the different team members who are in the doc and who are going to collaborate with me in that. Now, once I've done that, I can go on Teams. Now, here, as you can see, it is a meeting that is going on about the same contract, the same client that we are talking about. So let's say I want to have a summary of this meeting. I can use Copilot chat right here to write that, and I can send it, and you will see that I've asked Copilot to summarize the meeting to me and it has provided me all the necessary details that I need so that I don't miss any critical information. Once this is done, I can click on leave. And you will see I've got the summary of the meeting here, and I still have my Copilot chat on the right, which again I can click on and ask more specific information that has been discussed in the meeting, and you can see that Copilot is then going to give me those answers right away. Now, you can keep on choosing to ask anything that you want to Copilot to again extract specific information that has been discussed in the meeting. Now, let's say I want to check for myself the contract that is at hand. So we'll go on Word here. So this is a contract that I have for the specific client that we were talking about. Now, again, as you can see, I've got Copilot in Word here that I can use to extract certain information. So I'm just going to type here in terms of commitment and monthly payment for this project, and I can send it in the chat, and you will see that Copilot is then going to reply back to me about that specific information that I can have access to. Now, let's say I want to ask other information. Let's say I want to ask about the terms and conditions for the invoicing. Again, I will send this, and you can see that Copilot is going to extract information based on the specific prompt that I just sent and going to give me the information that I need. And one critical information that it provided to me is that one of my colleagues has just made changes to the contract and the terms and so on. So this helps me to then stay in the loop all the time. Now I will go back to Edge here, and here we can see I am in a loop. Again, we have created a loop based for that specific contract and client that we have been talking about. So I'm just going to use Copilot again here to ask it to create a list of accounting topics that we can discuss during contract reviews to ensure that our processes are well managed and efficient. So I'm just going to click on that, and you will see that Copilot is then going to give me the voting table that I've just asked for. And I can then click on share, page link and share it to my colleagues so that they can then come on the loop. And as you can see, they start adding their own answers to the page. Now, another thing that I also wanted to finish a little bit with is I'll go back to Microsoft 365. Let's say I want to now have a meeting agenda created with all the information that I now have. I can just click on send and you will see now Copilot, because we are again working in the Microsoft ecosystem where we've worked in Teams, in Microsoft Word, we've also worked on Loop. All of those information for that specific client are centralized in the same ecosystem. So Copilot is able to then pull all of those information together to create the perfect answer that I need when I give a specific prompt. Now, this has been done for me. It has created a meeting agenda based on all the information that I had in Microsoft Word, on the Teams call, and on Loop. And now I can go ahead more confidently in the client meeting. Once the client meeting is done, let's say I want to announce to my team how like the meeting was, what are the next steps that are involved. So I will go into Outlook here, and you can see we also have Copilot here, and I will ask Copilot to help me draft an email about that client to my teams, and I can click on generate, and you will see Copilot is going to generate an email for you. So you can see the copy is here. Now you can also choose to change how you want Copilot to make it. So let's say I want to make it sound more formal. So I'm just going to click on that, and you will see that Copilot is then going to change the email for me. And you can click on keep it once you're satisfied with the final form of the email. So as you can see now, I have the email that is ready, and I can send it to my colleagues and my team members about how the meeting was and what are the next step involved. So as you can see, I've used Copilot in almost all of the steps that has been involved here, whether I was in Microsoft Word, on Teams, in Loop, in the Microsoft 365 platform, and even on Outlook. Again, just to come here and help me be more efficient and confident in all the information that I have, and to have a final overview that is more clear. I have also other videos on how to use Copilot in Word, how to use Copilot in Excel and in PowerPoint. Those links are in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.